Guys, I got another special vlog for you today. I'm really excited about this one because I'm picking up a new car today. This is actually one that I like. Ted, what are we getting today?
I think we're getting something you like too.
I know. I'm very excited about it.
Hold on, when was the last time I got a new car?
You just picked up a car like 2 weeks ago.
This is my dream RX-7. This is my holy grail car.
Now we're getting another car.
That was the RX-7. It's a hot market for Broncos.
This is probably gonna be the easiest pickup. We're gonna do it with tolls.
Customs and border protection, see? These guys look like assholes.
Just send him. I can't call him as he wants you to call 281.
We're going to AutoNation Ford in Katy, Texas.
Oh, thank God, it's not an hour away. Unfortunately, Doug is not gonna be joining us today.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Since we're not going to Freeport, Texas.
Sorry if it smells on here. I have a fear that I'm gonna show up there and they're gonna like, well, your new Bronco's here. And then when we go to sign papers, all of a sudden it's like $30,000 more. No, I'm afraid they're gonna mark it up.
They can't do that, can they?
Some dealerships will f*** you. There's people on the Bronco groups complaining about it. There's some Ford dealerships that will do that. But I'm not saying that these guys are, but I have that fear because I'm not surprised things like that happen.
Let's be honest though, Ted. You overpaid for all your RX-7s.
No. If you're importing a car, there's lots of hidden fees. No. $5,000.
Yeah.
No. Customs examination, $2,400. So
You had all those fees.
No. The transportation cost, $7,000. And
shit.
I don't know, $1,000 or $2,000. So yeah.
This is so much better. You should be okay with it. Do you think the car's gonna be a 10 out of 10?
If you're in the market for a Jeep, yeah, I really do.
Okay.
I think it is going to be amazing. I think for many reasons. My complaint on the Jeep is it is slow. The Broncos, we know for a fact, are faster. It's roomier, that's a fact. Convertible top, that's going to be fun.
Oh, we're here.
Where is it? Where is it?
Ford AutoNation. We're at picking up the Bronco.
Oh. It's not even a Ford dealership. It's so shit.
Your vehicle wants to buy it.
Really?
Oh, you guys want to buy
How's it going?
Hey, buddy, good to see you.
Oh, sweet.
Listen, everybody's looking at this and they're like, oh man, is this can we get? No, but it's not. It is
You
so
guys
awesome.
hit it, right?
Let me just tell you what's really awesome about it. When you're sitting behind the wheel, the hood,
Yeah.
how it looks out. Oh, we're.
Hi, how's it going?
Woo! Give me like
Oh my God!
Oh,
Bad boy!
Yeah. Oh,
Come on, man.
This is fun. Okay, this is what we couldn't see in other people's YouTube. This thing looks like it's granite.
Oh my God.
I thought it was just black. So I like the
screen.
Wait till you
texture.
turn
Yeah,
on
yeah.
these
Mollies,
Bettys.
those are neat. I like the mollies in the back.
And all the Bronco stuff that's here.
Oh my God.
So here's something cool. There are these bolts, and every time you see a bolt with the word Bronco on it,
It's removable.
it is removable for an extra add-on. Everything's been thought through on this.
Yeah.
It just takes a couple minutes to take the top off.
Figure
It's
out
gonna
how
rain
this
now,
stuff
so we can't do
works.
it.
I got the vinyl interior so it can get wet.
Dude.
Drive in the rain.
Okay, so here's a couple of things I noticed right off the bat. Can't really tell from videos is that there's a lot of different textures. For example, like this is a different texture than this. This is a different texture than this. Lines here on this grab handle, but there's no lines here.
Again, I just think the coolest thing is just looking out the front and seeing how different it is. You know you could start this from your phone, right?
Oh, remote start now?
Yeah.
Oh, it's high tech.
You can start this from your phone. You can program it so that at 4:55 every day it starts up.
Oh, wow. That screen is huge. It's like a Tesla now.
That is huge. Do you have an Apple phone? Mm-hmm. All right, put your phone right down there. Put it down. What's happening?
Nothing.
It's charging.
Yeah, now it's
It's charging.
Okay. Okay. That's so big! On most cars that have the 3C, it's like this big.
That's
and this is huge. We'll see if it's faster than the Jeep, because my complaint has always been the Jeep is slow. So these are 33-inch tires, right?
Yep. That's it. That's what I'm talking about.
It drives better than a Jeep. The steering wheel is not bouncing everywhere.
And let me tell you something. Ted, this is a collectible.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, not now, but I mean, you know, 15, 20 years from now, this is the first Bronco out.
Yeah.
And your VIN number, one of the first VIN numbers.
I got the black because we're gonna probably wrap the truck.
Okay.
Like a custom, like a, I don't know. I'm thinking some satin color or camo.
Okay.
I see some people online complaining about the stereo, but I'm not sure how picky they are, you know? It
Can't be a lot of people complaining since there's very few people who own this.
Yeah.
That's pretty smart, actually.
slippery, mud and rut. That's really neat, the graphics.
Right, and of course if it's mud and rut, they're going to want you to be in 4-wheel drive, right?
Yeah, sand, Baja, rock crawl. That's really cool.
Rock crawl is so cool, yeah.
Yeah, I like the graphics. Read instructions or try to do it on our own?
To do it on our own.
So we should even look at the website?
You think it's that hard?
What the hell is this?
Your Ford Bronco brings the fun to every adventure with the
Brings the
removable
fun.
soft top option. Push the soft top.
Oh my god, it sounds that easy. Oh, here we go. Dang, okay.
That's it?
Unbuckle the 3 clips at the top and release the front edge by pulling the fabric out of the slide.
Okay. Unbuckle. Sounds like it broke something.
Here we go. All right.
I'm afraid this thing's gonna get really scratched up.
It will. Here we go. All right.
What?
Nice.
Wow.
Wow.
But I like the interior. The marine grade vinyl looks really neat. I like the texture.
I like the texture. Yeah, it's nice. It's not bad. It's not ugly. It's just it's not leather looking, but it's nice. Oh man, that's nice. Like in the Jeep, you have that bar that's in the way, but this is a full freaking roof.
Oh, that is right. This is Bronco on the f***ing top.
Oh, that's cool. The Bronco definitely lived up to my expectations and then some. It really feels like everything the Wrangler is, but better. They really learned from Jeep and just improved on top of that. Just like the Jeep, the Bronco has a lot of Easter eggs placed all around the car, but they also have these special bolts letting you know that it's accessory friendly, which is really cool. It's definitely aftermarket friendly, which is always good to see on something like this. Best part for me is taking the top down because there's no sound bar or anything obstructing your view. It's a clear freaking view of the beautiful skies. The only thing I like about the Bronco is the key fob. It's kind of a small thing, but it's just a generic Ford key fob, and I really wish they did something special with this since they poured so much attention to detail into the car. It's just kind of weird to see the key fob sort of like skipped over, but other than that, this is definitely a home run for Ford. Alright guys, that is it for the vlog. Thank you so much for coming along with us to pick up a Bronco. Really cool experience. We got a lot of cool things happening with this one. We're going to be wrapping it. We're going to be doing wheels and tires and much more. So stay tuned for that. Shout out to Michael at AutoNation Ford for giving us the awesome experience getting the Bronco. But that's it guys. We want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
You could probably go off-roading with this thing.
Do you think so?
I think there's a chance that you could actually take this off-road.